Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language courses. One of my oldest and dearest friends got divorced a couple of years ago, and last week we went out for a drink to have a catch up and find out how each other's getting on. And during the course of the evening I asked if he was seeing anyone at the moment, if he'd managed to get out on any dates at all. He looked at me slightly incredulously, with a look of disbelief and slight annoyance in his eyes, and mumbled under his breath, "Pwh, chance would be a fine thing." He then went on to explain that basically he's working flat out at the moment. He had been caring for his elderly parents until very recently, when they both passed away. And the rest of the time, when he's not been doing either of those two things, he's been helping to look after the two kids that he's got from his first marriage. If you say chance would be a fine thing in response to something that someone else has just said, you basically mean, look, I would like the thing that you've just mentioned to happen very much. It's a very desirable thing, but there's no way it's possible at the moment. So maybe if you're working a lot and someone tells you, listen, you should relax a bit more, you should chill out a bit more. Pwh, chance would be a fine thing. I don't have any way of making that happen. When you listen to politicians and someone tells you, oh yeah, no, he's promising that if he gets elected, he's going to fix the economy in the next 6 months. Pwh, yeah, right. Chance would be a fine thing. It would be lovely if that were to happen, but I don't think it's very likely. In the same way, maybe you're a bit stressed, you're ready for a holiday, it's the middle of summer, you're still working hard, and someone tells you, why don't you take a day off? Just take it easy, have a lie-in, spend the day in bed. Pfft, chance would be a fine thing. I've got the rent to pay and I've got kids to feed. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of when you think you could use chance would be a fine thing.